Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to the violin build. And in the last video I said in the next video, meaning this one, I would start carving the scroll. However, I forgot that I have to actually mark out the width of the scroll, and I've done that, and I'll show how I did that right after this brief intro. And so what I used is this, which is there's a couple of ways of doing it. You can make a template, a flexible template that will wrap around the scroll, and then you can trace along the edges of it, or you can use compass circles, which is what I'm doing. Hang on a second. So I put my eyes on. Okay, so yeah, you can use compass circle templates, which is what I did here. So I get it backwards. Turn around this way. Okay, yeah. So you measure. So first I'll put a center line along the scroll, and then for each compass circle has a certain distance apart and a certain diameter, and you simply mark those positions along the scroll and draw the circle, and then you connect use a straight edge to connect from one circle to the next, as I did right there, and I only did that one line there. But once I've got all that in place, the next step, I'm going to drill the holes for the pegs, and then I will start carving the scroll. So in this video, I'm just going to show marking out these circles to get the width. So it starts out wide here. Of course, eventually this corner will be cut off. It'll be rounded following that circle, and then the width of the peg box will narrow down as it goes around the back side, and then as it goes around the front, it widens back up again. And also I have to mark out the width of the peg box here. So in the next video after this one, that's where I'll be drilling the holes and really start carving the scroll at that time. So I just wanted to give you a brief introduction, and I'm going to now show you the process of drawing these circles. So I did some cuts and edits, but hopefully you can kind of see the process there. All right. I think I'll use a compass rather than the markers that I'm, or whatever you call these things. rather than use these, I think I'll use the compass because that'll leave a pencil mark that's easier to see. So let me start over. One, two, three, four. Most of these are the same distance apart once you get past these two. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that marks out the actual width of the scrolls, or the scrolls, multiple scrolls. The scroll, and so I'll just connect the edges of the compass circles. As you can see, it gets narrower here and then flares back out wide as it gets over here. I still have to mark the width of the peg box here.